Have you ever thought about how downsizing can boost your retirement savings? Welcome to a journey of discovery where we'll explore the power of living smaller. Imagine reducing housing expenses, lowering utility and maintenance costs, generating extra cash through decluttering, and embracing a simpler, more sustainable lifestyle. Each of these paths holds the potential to supercharge your retirement savings and offer you greater financial freedom. Ready to discover how living smaller can make your retirement bigger? Stay tuned! First off, downsizing your home can significantly reduce your monthly housing costs. Think about it. A smaller home often means lower mortgage payments, not to mention reduced property taxes and less expensive homeowners insurance. The potential for savings is substantial, particularly in areas where the cost of living is high. You could be looking at shaving off thousands from your yearly expenses. Just imagine what you could do with all that extra money in your retirement fund. Secondly, smaller homes typically mean lower utility and maintenance bills. Imagine having less space to heat during winter, cool during summer, and light all year round. Yes, that translates to lower utility bills. Not to mention, maintenance costs including cleaning, repairs, and renovations are generally lower for smaller properties. Imagine the ease of maintaining a cozy, compact space versus a sprawling estate. Over time, these reductions in expenses can lead to considerable savings. Think about how those savings could grow your retirement nest egg. Thirdly, downsizing offers a great opportunity to declutter and sell items you no longer need. Imagine all the furniture, electronics, clothes, and other household items gathering dust in your home. Why not turn them into a source of income? Selling these items not only clears up space, but also provides a nice cash influx. This extra money can be a welcome addition to your retirement savings, or even help cover the costs of moving. Turning clutter into cash? Now that's a win-win. Lastly, downsizing often leads to a simpler lifestyle and reduced consumption. Imagine this. A smaller space means less room for clutter, reducing the need to continuously spend on furniture, home decor, and other household items. The ripple effect of this lifestyle change is twofold. On one hand, your wallet gets a much-needed break, and on the other, you contribute to a more environmentally sustainable way of living by consuming less. Who knew saving money could also mean saving the planet? So there you have it, 4 compelling ways downsizing can boost your retirement savings. We've explored how reducing housing expenses and lowering utility and maintenance costs can significantly enhance your financial health. We've also seen how decluttering can lead to extra cash and how a simplified lifestyle can reduce consumption. All these elements work together to make your retirement richer. Remember, living smaller can indeed make your retirement bigger. Start planning your downsizing journey today.